This morning we've got the most beautiful collection of spring. It is just spring. Every part of this, every one of them are their spring colors. Let me show them to you. This first one is soft lilac. It's a lilac, but they're calling it Orchid Bloom. It's a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. Beautiful drape, just incredible drape, and it's really, really pretty. This next one is like stunning. It looks like the cross, the warp is the thread that's laid down first, and then the weft is what goes across. It looks like there's not even a weft. It's just the way it looks and the way it hangs. It's just so beautiful. This is a cotton poly. It's mostly cotton, but you can see the colors here are all your spring colors. Beautiful for a little jacket, a blouse, just stunning. So I did put some companion pieces with it so that you could blend them all. This is called, what's for spring is called Gossamer Pink. Gossamer Pink. This is 100% rayon. Beautiful for a blouse. It has enough drape because it's a rayon. It really could be pants. 100% rayon. I did put this in because I felt like, these are all theory, because I felt like this would be so beautiful. This is a 100% cotton Pontoroma knit. And I mean, it is beautiful. Remember when Pontoromas first came out, they were just poly, and we saw the migration to come over to where they're cotton, 100% cotton now. Cannot see through it. It's just lovely. The colors just excite me. They are spring, and we are in spring. Then we have this blue, it's a gingham, and it's rosettes. They're kind of the way they're stitched there. It's a 100% cotton is the fabric, but they're on a netting background. It's a woven. There's a little bit of stretch. It's a stretch woven, I guess I'd have to say now. Actually, sorry about that. It has one-way stretch. Isn't that beautiful? Just amazing amount of talent and work on this. Just a lot of, just a simple blouse would be just stunning. Or a little jacket would be beautiful. Today we're going to do all these at $12.99. You know, we only do them on the first day, and then we take them back up because they're definitely going to go back up. This is 100% rayon. Beautiful drape, beautiful fabric, just incredible. And again, it's that this blue color is called Glacier Lake. So these are all spring tones and just really beautiful. And I know you'll have happy sewing with these. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.